Hello guys, welcome to another Linux video in No Tech No Future. Today let's see how to install the latest Python version from source. In case if you didn't know, you can't get the latest version from the Ubuntu repositories. At the time of making this video, Python 3.9 is released, but Ubuntu repository doesn't provide 3.9. So I'm going to show you how to install 3.9 from source. Just go to this website, the link is given in the description. So this method works with all Python versions. Whenever a new Python version is released and if it is doesn't available in the Ubuntu repository, you can use this method to install the latest Python version in your Ubuntu machine. So you can choose whichever version you want. I'm going to choose the latest one. So latest Python 3.9.1. Just click that link in the Python source releases and then scroll down to the bottom of the page. You can read about the 3.9.1 if you want. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and download the gzip source tarball. You can see a bunch of options available. You need to go with the first one. Download that. Click save file. And choose your desired location. Let's wait for the download to finish. Once download is completed, go to the location where that file is downloaded. You can move the zip.tar file to the desired location where you want to install the Python. So now open terminal here. Right click on this location and click open terminal so that it opens in the current location. And just type this command sudo apt update and give the password if it is prompted and wait for the command to finish. Once it is completed, we need to run two more commands. The second command is you need to install a few dependencies so that Ubuntu can compile source file and install Python. So the second command is this one, which is also given in the description. You can copy paste it. It will install the necessary dependencies so that the Ubuntu can compile source file. Let's wait for the command to finish. So the command is finished now. We have set up the dependencies. Now let's extract the tar file. Just run this command to extract the tar file. And you can see the tar file is extracted to the directory python-3.9.1. Inside the directory, you need to go inside that folder. Just type cd and the folder name. Once you are inside the directory, just type this command /configure and -- enable optimization. So let's wait for the command to finish. So this is combining the source file. So once the source file is compiled, now it's ready to be installed. Finally, type this command sudo make, and you can type alt install if you want to install a separate instance of Python. If you want to overwrite the Python which is already installed in your system, just type sudo make install. I'm going to overwrite the installation. Now it's being installed. If you don't know about the Python dependencies, just don't mess with this. You can safely type the command sudo make alt install so that it installs a separate instance. Don't mess up with the system dependent Python version. I advise you to do that. Only install, override the version if you are sure what you are doing. Since you may not know, the Python is necessary for many basic operations in Ubuntu. So if you mess up with the default Python version in the system, you're gonna get a lot of breakdowns in Ubuntu. So it's completed now. Let's check whether the Python 3.9 is installed correctly or not. You can check the Python version by typing this command python 3 or simply Python. When I type Python, it is showing me the version 3.7.3. So this is a separate instance which is already there in my system. When I type Python 3, it will show the version which I have installed, 3.9.1. Previously it was 3.6. I have upgraded it to 3.9.1. If you use the alt install option, you need to type Python 3.9 so that it shows that version. If you type Python 3, it wouldn't show this one if you have used the alt install option. So thanks for watching, guys. Please to subscribe my channel. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my channel.